selling one prompt for $2.99, and imagine you selling 100 prompts. That's over $300.
AI is evolving very fast, and DeepSeek AI is leading the charge. But here's the real question: what is DeepSeek, and how can you turn this into real cash today? And I'll show you the exact step-by-step methods to make $450 per day using DeepSeek AI. Just real strategies you can start using right now, and you can withdraw this money directly to your local bank account, crypto wallet, or PayPal account. Let's dive in.
Bring me my money.
Welcome to Business Orbit, where we start and grow profitable online businesses. If you are new to the Orbit, welcome aboard, and to my returning champions, I appreciate you always showing up. Today, I'm showing you real ways to make money with DeepSeek AI. By the end of this video, you know how to use this tool to generate income step by step. If you're ready, drop a quick yes in the comments below. Let's go. So what is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek is a very powerful AI model that generates high quality text, assists with coding, creates content, and helps automate online work. It's actually like ChatGPT, but it has some unique advantages, including better language understanding and deep learning capability. Now let's turn this incredible tool into some real money. First, here's the right way to open a DeepSeek account if you don't have one already.
So what you want to do is come to Google and type DeepSeek. So as you can see, this is DeepSeek right here. Click on DeepSeek, this first option right here. So you can simply come here and click on Start Now. Once you're here, it brings you to this area where you can put in your phone number or email address and your password. So what you just want to do is come here, click on Login with Google, brings you all the way right here where you can verify that you are human. So when you get here, you enter your email address, enter your password. Now you're in. So this is how the DeepSeek AI platform looks like, and this is where we are going to be doing the magic.
Now that we've opened our DeepSeek account, let's now see the methods that we can start using to make $450 per day. The very first method is AI-powered writing, proofreading, and research. DeepSeek AI makes writing and proofreading incredibly easy, and here's how you can start earning right now. Step one is for you to sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour.
So to open an account on Fiverr, you come to Google and you type Fiverr, and it brings you here. Click on this very first option right here. It takes you all the way directly to this Fiverr platform right here where you can sign up. So what you want to do is come right here and click on Become a Seller, and you'll be able to open a seller account right here on Fiverr. Simply click on Continue with Google, and it brings you here. You repeat the same process where you can simply use your Gmail account to open an account here on Fiverr. Click on your account, right, and it brings out this option. You just click on Continue. So remember, this is still the step one of the entire process after opening your DeepSeek account. So here you say get your profile started. So what we want to do right now is to choose a username, and we can simply put our username, Business Orbit. You click on Create My Account. Your account is created, as you can see right here at the top, Fiverr. So right now you have to tell Fiverr what actually brings you to Fiverr. So you come here and say selling freelance services. I would like to offer my services. Click on that. So and it says what type of freelancer are you? A side hustle, solo freelancer, agency employee. This could be a side hustle for you or a solo freelancer. You can simply click any of these options. So I'm just going to take a side hustle and click on next. What's your freelancing experience? I'm just getting started. Freelancing online, freelancing offline, both online and offline. So if you're just getting started as a freelancer, you select I'm just getting started. Simply click on I'm just getting started. Click on Finish. Now great, you're almost there. Here's what's next. Complete your seller profile, create your first gig, publish it, and start selling. Once you're there, you can just click on Complete your seller profile, and it brings you all the way right here where you can now click on Continue. From here you can click on Continue. So my first name, last name, and of course my display name. So you just simply put a very brief description right here. So for you to get a better description for this, you come back to DeepSeek. You just click here and you say in the description my Fiverr. So as you can see, DeepSeek has actually generated the description that we're going to be using for our Fiverr profile. You just come right here and you copy this to the very last. You come back to Fiverr, paste it right here, and you go back up there. Just edit this idea, put your name here. For example, if your name is Bliss, you just simply say hi there. I am Bliss. I am a passionate and dedicated professional. So I'm just going to remove this and put my name, Bliss. So you just edit this carefully. So once you've edited that, you can scroll up and come down here, select the language, scroll up to E, you're going to see English, and then you select English if that's the language you prefer to use. You can actually select whatever language you want to use anyway, and then you can click on add, right? So once that is done, you can just brings you right here. You select the occupation, and of course right here I'm just going to select business. That's just you adding so many skills as much as you want, and then you can scroll up, click on continue. So to secure these Fiverr accounts, you have to verify your email, which I've done already, and then your phone number. But of course, your email has done it already, so you can just click on continue. Of course, you can see now it says you are ready to start selling on Fiverr. Step number 2 is create gigs offering AI-assisted writing, proofreading, and research. So once you're here right now, just click on create a gig. So what you want to do right now is come here and say, I will proofread and improve your writing using AI tools. So once you've entered that, you simply come here and select the category. You scroll up here, you can see writing in translation. Select this category right here. Then the subcategory could actually be proofreading and editing. Then after that, you scroll up, service type, select service type. Remember, what we want to do right here is AI assisted writing and proofreading, so we can come here and say proofreading. And of course, you can just select the languages that you're going to be offering these services through. So you select the language, just select English. To selecting the language, click on content type, and you come over here, and then you look for writing and proofreading. Click on other. Click here, and that you can write writing and come right here, put a tab that says writing, proofreading. You know, just multiple tags, just put as much as you can. Just click save and continue. So right here, you talk about the pricing, right? Come right here and say writing and proofreading. So the details of your offering, come back to DeepSeek, and then you say, give me details, my writing and proofreading business. So it gives you all of this, and then you can just come right here and copy this from start to finish, right? So right here, we can now enter that same description. So we come here, we ask DeepSeek to give us a very good description for our writing and proofreading business. Copy it right here, copy that, come back to Fiverr, and paste it right here in the description. Move this and put your name paste. So once you've been able to do all of this, you can now scroll up here right up. Save. So what you want to do here is to add images of your services. Come down there and say save and continue. So it says you're almost there. So for identity verification, fill out your personal and business information to verify your identity. So you just come here and verify. So now getting a client that says they want a blog post for the future of AI in online business, and that's like a 1,500 word blog post. So what you want to do right now is to come to DeepSeek, you scroll all the way up, come to DeepSeek, you say new chat, you say write a 1,500 word blog post on future of AI online business. So here you go, DeepSeek generating the entire blog post for us. Alright, so as you can see, DeepSeek has been generating the entire thing from start to finish. All we have to do is scroll back on the right up, and then you copy it from the beginning till the very end. Or you can just simply click here and it copies everything, right? So what you do is copy everything, and then you come to eBooks, and then you paste it right here. And you can now tweak it however you like. You can now edit it, format it however you like, and then you send it directly from here to the customer directly via email or whatever format that the customer has actually requested that you send this information or this blog post to the customer. And the earnings that I can actually make from this is between $50 to $250.
Second method is selling AI-powered ebooks, and DeepSeek can help you create full-length ebooks in minutes. Now, here's how to turn them into real money. So what you want to do right now is to come right here to DeepSeek and use this exact word to generate an ebook that you can actually start selling on Fiverr or Canva, and then you can actually format it via text using Canva or Google Docs. So let's say we want to design an ebook that talks about cooking. So what you want to do, use this prompt, say,
write a 10-chapter ebook titled How to Cook the Best African Delicacy. So DeepSeek is actually going to create this very book for us. So right here you can see that DeepSeek has actually generated this 10-chapter ebook. So you can just copy it all the way from here, or you can just scroll up and click on this icon here that says copy, and then you come to Google Docs and just paste it here, and then you can edit it. You can see there's an introduction right here. You can just edit that and make it bolder. Just edit it generally. Now there are many aspects of this book that you can actually talk to DeepSeek about, and it's going to help you generate all of that. Next, what we want to do right now is to generate a cover for our ebook. So for us to generate a cover for our ebook, come to canva.com to just write cover ebook. And it's going to bring out options. You see there, ebook cover. You just click on it. So when you come right here to the left, you can now see options from here. You can type here and say cooking. Since the ebook cover has to do with cooking, right? So you can come right here. There are many options right here that you can choose from. You can just scroll all the way up. You can scroll up to see free covers, basically. Let's see this cover right here. Good. So right now we have a cover. You can simply edit this name and put your name, remove that and put your name, Zion, and then daily photo types. You can change this to best African. So our cover is ready, and now the next thing for us to do now is to publish this book to Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Payhike. The earning potentials you can make from this particular method is $50 to $500 per month in passive income.
So now the third option is selling AI-generated digital products. Now you can sell logos, branding content, and ad scripts generated by AI. So what you need to do is to use DeepSeek to generate logo design concepts and ideas, and this is the prompt that you're going to use to generate this, and then you can start selling that.
And then we come right here to DeepSeek, and then we say generate 5 unique logo design ideas. So when we say generate 5 unique logo design ideas for a modern tech startup here on DeepSeek, that's just the prompt, and it's going to bring in this 5 generated modern logo design ideas, and then you can now use Canva or Photoshop to refine the designs, and basically Canva can help you do that. DeepSeek is actually generating this logo design ideas, so you can come right here. You can see the first option right here. The first one is geometric infinity symbol. The second one is abstract circuit board, and we have our 5 logo design ideas, right?
So now that DeepSeek has finished generating this logo design ideas, so what we want to do right now is to take these design ideas to Canva, and then we can use Canva or Photoshop to redesign these logo design ideas, as simple as it is, and then we can sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Adobe Stock, because this is now our very own logo design ideas. And the earnings that you can actually make from all of this is between $5 to $50 per design. So it simply means that this 5 design right here is going to give you $25. This is actually just for 5 designs. You can actually do this for 10, 20, or 50 designs, and DeepSeek is actually going to help you do that. So the first method is AI generated course creation and online selling. So what we want to do right here is to use DeepSeek to generate and create this course content.
So use this prompt. You say generate 5 course on how to start digital marketing. So you press enter, and then you watch DeepSeek do its thing as well. So the course title is How to Start Digital Marketing Business, and from here you just allow DeepSeek generate everything that it has to do. And then once it's done generating this, what you want to do is to format and enhance this using Canva, whichever one that works best for you. After that, we can now carry this course. Remember, this is an e-course, right? DeepSeek has actually generated our course for us. We just scroll all the way up. We copy this course and take it to Google Docs, edit it, go to Canva and give it a cover.
And then we can now carry this particular course right here, take it to Udemy, Gumroad or Thinkific, and then we can sell it right there. Now the earnings you can make from this one is between $50 to $1,000 per course, and you can scale even way higher than that. Now the fifth method is AI-powered content repurposing for businesses. And what you want to do right now is to offer services repurposing content for clients using titles like "I will turn your blog post into a YouTube script and social media post." And you can actually try something like this.
Come to DeepSeek and then you say, rewrite this blog post as a Twitter thread and
it's going to rewrite this blog post, and then you can deliver this as a full package to your clients. So the earnings that you can get from this is between $50 to $500 per project.
If you've made it to this point in the video, congratulations, because I have a bonus method for you, and that's selling these prompts that you're generating from DeepSeek. All of these prompts that we've been entering all this while, you can actually sell these prompts. So what you need to do right now is to come right here to Google, and then you type prompts base, and it brings up this option, this very first option right here where you see prompt base. Click on it and it brings you right here. It's very easy to get started here on prompt base. Just have to come here, create an account, come here, click on sell, and from here this is the prompt details that you're going to be entering. So generation type, what kind of content does your prompt generate? So we click right here. It generates images, videos, or tests. So let's go with test, and then the AI model. So we select DeepSeek right here, and then the name, so just the title for this prompt. So right now we can just call it blog post generator, or whatever you want to use DeepSeek to generate. You just put the title right there. You can say this prompt will help you generate best blog ever, and you can scroll all the way up right here. You select the estimated price. You can select from $2 to $6.99 if you like. So I can just say let's go for $3.99, and then you can click on next. From there it's going to take you all the way right here where you can now say what your DeepSeek model you are using. Of course it's R1. You can just leave all of this by default. So remember, we already have an example output from our prompt, which you can just paste here, and then we can click on add example. So you scroll the way up, small instructions, and then you click on next. So you're going to be making this $3 every now and then, every time someone buys this prompt from you here on prompt base. If you're selling one prompt for $2.99, and imagine you selling 100 prompts, that's over $300.
So it's noteworthy to recognize that DeepSeek is a good mind, but only if you take action like we're doing right now. So which method will you try first? Drop a comment and let me know. So like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and check out this next video where I review another easy way to make money online. Click it now and let's keep winning. My name is Blizayon. I'll see you in this next video.